In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Keep data and import it into Notion in just 5 minutes. Whether you're migrating platforms for personal organization or work projects, this quick guide will help you seamlessly transfer your valuable notes. First, you'll need to access Google Takeout. This powerful tool lets you download your Google data, and it's your best friend in this process. Open your preferred browser and head over to Takeout. Once you're there, to streamline things, first go ahead and click on Deselect All. This option is essential because Google Takeout initially selects everything by default, and we only need the data from Google Keep. Next, scroll down and find Google Keep in the list. When you spot it, select the checkbox next to it. This ensures that only your Keep data is prepared for export, allowing you to transfer just what you need without any unnecessary information. With that selected, locate the Next Step button and click it to proceed. Now you need to decide where to send the export. Among the options provided, click on Send Download Link via email. This choice is convenient as it allows you to access the data from any device connected to your email. Make sure your email account is secure and that you have easy access to it. Click on Export Once when prompted. This tells Google that you only need a one-time download of your Keep information rather than scheduling regular exports. Follow this by clicking on Create Export. Google will now begin gathering your data, and this process may take a little time depending on the size of your notes. Once the export is ready, you'll receive an email notification. Open it and go to the Manage Exports section. Here you should see your recent export listed. To download it to your computer, simply click Download. Save this file in a location where you'll easily find it later, as you'll need it soon. With your data downloaded, it's time to switch over to Notion. Log into your Notion account where you'd like to import the notes. Navigate to the page where you'd like them to be, and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Import from the drop-down options. For the last steps, click on Upload from your computer. Here you'll locate the file you downloaded from Google Takeout. Once you select it, Notion will begin uploading your notes. Wait until the process completes to ensure all your valuable information has been transferred accurately. And there you have it, your notes from Google Keep are now imported into Notion. This import process is not only quick, but ensures that your data remains organized and accessible in your preferred platform.